people who don't just lead an institution, they breathe life into it. They don't just walk through the corridors, they leave behind a trail of inspiration. A very good afternoon, Reverend Sister Manjusha, our principal, Sister Sheba, our manager, sisters, teachers, and my fellow Ramneeites. Today, we celebrate the birthday of our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha. The mind that envisions, the heart that believes, and the spirit that keeps the school moving forward. Dear sister, if our school were a book, you would be its author, who write new chapters of excellence and kindness each day. Today isn't just your birthday, but it is a reminder of how your presence turns ordinary days into lessons of strength, patience, and grace. On behalf of every student sitting here, we wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear sister.
Birthdays are not just milestones in time, they are the golden chances to appreciate the impact someone has made on our lives and communities. Our principal has always believed that a school not only grows in numbers and buildings, but with values, vision, and a sense of purpose. The flame of Diya represents blessings, success, and continued strength. It is a sacred gesture that dispels darkness and welcomes knowledge, hope, and positivity. So I now request Reverend Sister Manjusha, Reverend Sister Sheba, Miss Donia Charles, Coordinator of the Junior School, Miss Bhima Rawal, and Sir Sandeep to kindly come forward and light up the diyas.